Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Chichi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make fried banana, okay? หรือว่าทอดกล้วยแขกหรือว่าจืดกล้วย Okay, let me introduce you to my ingredient that I have. Okay, what we have here: white sesame, sugar, sea salt, coconut milk, limestone, and jasmine rice flour or แป้งข้าวเจ้า vegetable oil, banana, coconut. That's all we need. Okay, I got all my ingredient ready and I have my coconut that I use. I like this kind of coconut, okay? You can use the brown one if you want to, but I like this kind. What I do, I straight it and then I lay out in the sun for like 3 hours, just enough to get the moisture out from my coconut, okay? So you don't want to have too much of moisture in here. If you do, when you deep fry your food, it's gonna be like your dessert is gonna be kind of like soggy, you know, they have the too much oil in it, so that's why I do this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, that's what I got. You guys, what you think? จืนกล้วยแขกหรือว่าจืนมะกล้วยโอเคหวีหนึ่งได้ขนาดนี้ล่ะอุ้ยเลี้ยงมันครอบครัวเลยแซ่บโอเคthis dish basically I get the recipe from like old fashioned okay like I use everything more like natural like how we get them from like the coconut banana all kind of stuff okay put this dish together but I did not grow my coconut and banana I bought from store okay มันกรอบเด้กรอบดียำหอมมันแบบก็ปอบถึงจะกรอบเท่าไหร่มันไม่อย่างนี้ก็กรอบจับได้จะแซ่บพอแซ่บกินทั้งสองมือเลยหอมOkay. Thank you for watching, you guys. Try this ingredient, okay? ไปให้ขายก็ได้เงินนะแต่อันนี้มาขายให้กินเองเนาะแซ่บๆ See you guys next video, okay? And make sure you subscribe my channel too, alright? See you next time. Bye. ลาก่อน